Did you know the UK have 4 different types of snakes?
Up first is the smooth snake. It is a non-venomous constrictor with flat scales, a slender body and a shy nature. It is completely harmless to humans and a native species to specific sandy heaths in the UK. They grow to about 60 to 70 centimetres long. They look like adders, grey or dull brown with dark spots and a heart-shaped mark on their head, but not exactly like adders. Their scales are flat and smooth, lacking the central ridge found in adders or grass snakes. Their eyes possess round pupils instead of vertical slits. Habitat and diet. They live in dry sandy heathlands with mature heather. They are found mainly in Dorset, Hampshire and Surrey, with managed populations in West Sussex and Devon. Food. They eat lizards, slow worms, small mammals and nestlings. They hunt subdued prey by wrapping its bodies around them. They are active mostly at the basks in the sun during the day from spring through to autumn. They sleep underground from October to April. They mate in spring. Females incubate eggs internally and give birth to live young in September. They are legally protected through the UK because of groups such as Amphibian Reptile Conservation Trust. Up next is the grass snake. The grass snake is the UK's largest native snake, growing up to 1.5 metres long. They are completely non-venomous and easily identified by a distinct yellow and black neck collar. Their collar is a bright yellow and black or orange band right behind their head. Their eyes possess round pupils, unlike the vertical pupils of the venomous UK adder. They live widespread across England and Wales, rare or absent from most of Scotland and Northern Ireland, found near ponds, lakes, rivers and damp meadows. They feast upon live amphibians like frogs, toads and newts, which they swallow whole. They are exceptional swimmers, often seen gliding smoothly across open water. They are quite shy creatures, completely harmless to humans though, and will try to slither away and hide. If cornered, they may hiss, flatten their heads, play dead, or release a foul, garlic-smelling fluid from their rear end. Life cycle. They emerge from hibernation in March. They mate in spring, and the only UK snake to lay up to 40 eggs, usually in warm rotting vegetation or garden compost heaps between June and July. The adder is the UK's only venomous snake, easily identified by its distinct zigzag marking pattern running down its back. While they are venomous, their bites are rarely life-threatening to healthy humans and incredibly shy creatures that only bite if they are stepped on or handled. Their size, they are much smaller than the grass snake, typically between 50 and 60 centimetres long. Locations, widespread across England, Scotland and Wales, but completely absent from Northern Ireland. Their environments prefer dry, open habitats such as heathlands, moorlands, sand dunes, sunny hillsides and woodland glades. They hunt small mammals like voles, mice, shrews, as well as lizards and nesting birds, which I will be making another video about. If you want to see that, please like and subscribe. They strike to inject venom. They track prey as it dies and swallow it whole. They bask in the sun, usually on early morning on rocks or logs to warm up their bodies. They are quite shy. They sense vibration of approaching footsteps and they will almost always hide away before you see them. If you or a pet are bitten, seek immediate medical or veterinary attention. Do not attempt to touch or catch the snake. Okay, that's all for now. Last but not least is the Aesculapian snake. It is a non-native, completely harmless constrictor that has established breeding populations in the UK, growing up to 2 meters long. It surpasses the native grass snake to hold the title of the longest snake species found in the wild Britain. They are found in North Wales in a well-studied population centred around Colwyn Bay, originating from escapes from the Welsh Mountain Zoo. They are found in London Zoo. Well, not in London Zoo, but in the small canal, and the banks of the Regent's Canal, that's what it's called, near London Zoo. They are found in also South Wales, a third lesser known population believed to exist around Bensham. They look like their slender olive green, grey or brownish bronze bodies with a pale yellowish underside. Scales often feature subtle white edges that give them a slightly speckled sheen. Arboreal nature. Unlike the native UK snakes, the Australian snakes are expert climbers. They use specialist sharply angled scales on their bellies to scale rough surfaces. They are frequently spotted up in high trees, hedges and bushes. They eat mice, voles, small birds and eggs, killing their prey by constriction. They are found why they are in urban habitats. Because the UK climate is significantly colder than their native European range, these snakes have adapted by actively seeking through underground human-made warmth. Research from the Bangor University has shown they will climb buildings to live inside warm attics, wall cavities, and compost heaps. They are temperate. They are incredibly shy, docile, and secretive. They pose zero threat to humans or domestic pets and live quietly alongside normal suburban wildlife without impacting native species.